Good evening, I'm Janae Town.
And I'm Elias Johnson. So the traffic cones, construction detours, it's a hassle. Ask anybody along Ingersoll Avenue, especially if it's in place for years.
And that could soon be the case along 2nd Avenue. Tonight, the city signed off on $18 million in improvements from University Avenue north to the river. WHO 13's Andy Fales joins us now. And Andy, city leaders say that work is needed, but likely few people celebrating another lengthy construction project.
Yeah, the timing is rough, guys, but if you use 2nd Avenue regularly, you know it's in some serious need of attention. Pavement is shot. There are so many driveways and intersections. And City Councilman Carl Voss told me tonight the utility poles are so close to the traffic, he's surprised the road isn't littered with broken side view mirrors. That stretch of road is one of Des Moines' busiest and one of its few north-south thoroughfares. It sees upwards of 20,000 cars a day, and it is loaded with these cockeyed intersections where roads like Forest Avenue and Clark Street intersect second at different points from the east and west. That makes for more dangerous entry and exit points. The work on 2nd Avenue will touch every part of the 4-lane road, including the lanes themselves.
Yes, they're narrow and the curbs aren't built up, and it needs to be totally repaved. I mean, if you've driven there lately, as I do quite often, it really is very necessary.
The businesses that are back in the central business district, a lot of traffic in and out of there, commercial traffic.
So speaking of commercial traffic, the bus station is on 2nd Avenue and it will need to be moved. I'm told that's not necessarily a bad thing because 2nd Avenue is too narrow for the DART buses. So those taking the Greyhound into town have to walk their suitcases all the way over to 6th Avenue to use the DART bus routes. Now, of course, this all adds up to some major road work coming, storm sewers included. It's all expected to start next spring and could continue until the fall of 2026, Janae.
Yeah, sadly, we kind of know this drill. We've seen this happening all over the city.
We do. We know it's all a part of the long game, but man, that short game is rough.
It can be tough. All right, thanks a lot, Andy.